someone would talk and say to my face, I'm the toughest there is. Come on. Really? You thought that was me? That ain't me. I make fun of all you black Harley riders, but that ain't me. I got a Harley myself. That's actually where this video is going. This is my Harley Davidson Sportster 1200, and this is going to be a review on how much fun and how rowdy it could possibly get. I'll show you the bike. Check it out. Alright, so first things first of this whole parody thing we did is real Harley riders, they work on their bike. End of story. So, this is my 2000 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. It's come a long way, but this is the most popular and probably about the cheapest Harley Davidson you can get for your bang for your buck. I picked this thing up a year and a half ago in Maryland for $2,400, and it's got just shy of 20,000 miles on it. Now, a lot of you motorheads who are in the cars and don't know much about bikes, 20,000 miles on a bike is approximately like 120,000 miles on a car or something like that. Just because you just automatically assume that all these miles are hard. And through me, they're absolutely hard. So, it's 1200. I massaged the motor a little bit. I put these bars on it, 2 brand new tires, full tune-up, opened the primary up, S&S Super E-Carb, jetted for the occasion. And I ride her hard, as you can see. I got fading chrome. So, yeah, you know, don't mind me. I don't want to get too carried away. How about I just show you what she does, man? Why am I beating on this old girl? It's simple. There's way too many damn videos on YouTube of guys just taking her easy. You guys are on this channel that hear some engines, some motors, winding her out, giving her the sauce. Well, here we are. So back there,
Yeah, what just happened?
the seat almost exited my bunghole there.
Dude, I
Look
saw
at this
that.
thing, man. It just fell off. Yeah, I guess I broke the bolt when I was wheeling. My fat butt broke the bolt. Jeez. That's safe. Harley life, right? Yep.
That's all part of it, right?
If you want to see more action-packed boost, turbos, burnouts, who is this coming in my door? God damn it.
Hey, I got pizza.
Yo, subscribe, dude. Alright, just subscribe to the fucking channel.